Good evening, ma'am. This is C. Nikila from first year ECE B section, and my roll number is 2340180481. And today my topic name is Sources of Electrical Resistance. Sources of electrical resistance. According to quantum free electron theory, the free electrons while moving at random within the metal gets scattered by positive ions present in the metal. The scattering of conditions electrons are due to lattice vibrations, by the impurities, by structural imperfections. Under normal conditions, without applied electrical field, positive ions will be in vibrations about their mean position due to thermal energy. These vibrations are known as lattice vibrations. When the moving electrons encounter the vibrating positive ions, they get scattered. This type of scattering is known as phonon scattering. Due to impurities present in the metal and due to defects, the electrons also get scattered. The above scatterers acts as a source of electrical resistance for metals and are as shown in figure. At room temperature, the resistivity of metals is largely independent of impurities or lattice defects. At very low temperature, however, the lattice vibrations are not limiting. In fact, one would expect them to die out at 0 Kelvin and the conductivity to become infinite in a pure, perfect crystal. As shown in the resistivity in such a crystal should go as T power 5 near 0 Kelvin as this is the temperature dependence of the scattering due to lattice vibrations, and the electron concentration is independent of T. No real crystal is completely pure or perfect. However, and imperfections of any kind of chemical impurities, lattice defects. Even the crystal surface acts as scattering centers for the electrons even in the absence of lattice vibrations. Thus, the resistivity does not fall to 0 at 0 Kelvin, and the resistivity curve is displaced upward by an amount which reflects the extent of which these imperfections are present and effective as scatterers. At high temperature, this displacement is insignificant compared to the much larger effect to the lattice vibrations. For this reason, the ratio of the resistivities at room temperature to the liquid helium temperature is used to as a simple measures purity and perfection of a metal crystal. Actually, the sensitivity of the resistivity of different imperfections varies widely, as seen in where the effect of certain impurities in copper is shown. It can be seen that as little as 1 part million of iron increases the resistivity at 4.2 K by more than an order of magnitude. The resistivity of metal at relatively high temperature varies slowly with the temperature, increasing with the first power of T. Resistivity of a metal, its temperature dependence at very low temperature, its dependence upon small concentration of selected impurities at low temperatures. The general characteristics of electrical resistance in metals are summarized as follows. The electric current density in the steady state is directly proportional to the electric field strength. Ohm's law. For pure specimens, the electrical resistivity varies with temperature as rho directly proportional to the T at a high temperature, rho directly proportional to the T to the power of 5 at low temperature. For metals containing small amount of impurities, the electrical resistivity rho may be written as rho equals to rho naught plus rho pt, where rho naught is a constant that increases with increasing impurity content. Rho p, T is the temperature dependent part of the resistivity. This is known as Matheson's rule. For most metals, the electrical resistivity decreases with increasing pressure. Thanking you, ma'am.